Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate driving distance in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First open your Google spreadsheet and see these locations. Then go to extensions, apps, script. First select and delete previous function. Then press Ctrl V or type to this function. Okay, or copy from anywhere, then save. Rename to this project. Example, I already renamed to this project test project. Then again go to Google Sheets and type anywhere to this formula equal driving distance sales number A to Paris and sales comma sales number B to Berlin. Press enter. Wait 5 seconds and now see this distance. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.